freelancing has undergone an incredible transformation, evolving into a powerhouse of innovation and productivity for businesses globally. Welcome to Fiverr, where the gig economy connects skilled freelancers with individuals and companies needing digital services. Founded in 2010, Fiverr now features over 500 service categories, revolutionizing the way talent is accessed worldwide. At the heart of Fiverr lies the uniquely defined gig model, simplifying the process of obtaining freelance services. From logo design to website development, Fiverr is your one-stop shop for diverse digital services that meet any need. With Fiverr Business, collaborations for larger teams have become seamless, catering perfectly to the evolving workspace landscape. Trust and transparency are paramount. Fiverr's review system helps you explore freelancer profiles before making your choice. Enjoy peace of mind with Fiverr's secure payment system, ensuring your investment is safe until you're satisfied with the service. Fiverr and Upwork are both giants in freelancing, yet they cater to different project needs and professional experiences. Despite challenges, Fiverr stands firm as a vital resource for anyone seeking effective, affordable freelance solutions today.